Welcome back to SDLC, the video series that outlines how information technology systems are developed at the MPCA. This video examines the test, implement, and operations and maintenance phases of the system development lifecycle. Once the system has been built, it is necessary to ensure that the business requirements are met, as well as to validate the system's performance and security. Using the test cases and the test plan from earlier phases in the SDLC, the project team manages and tracks problems with the system, tests for security and accessibility, produces test analysis reports, and ultimately the testing is signed off by the business once a sufficient percentage of requirements are met. Security scans are conducted by developers to identify and fix flaws in the application source code that may pose security risks, thus ensuring that the software is secure. Careful documentation of any issues encountered during testing is essential to identify, address, and mitigate any problems discovered during this process. Minute, partnering with the MPCA, manages, tracks, and addresses issues or bugs as they are identified. In addition, user manuals and documentation are created to support training, future upgrades, and ongoing support of the system. Collaboration between the project management, development, and business teams is essential during the testing process to ensure that the new system is carefully vetted for function, security, and accessibility. Once the new system has been tested, secure, and signed off by the business, the project is ready for implementation. In order to facilitate the smooth transition to the completed solution, an implementation plan is developed to outline the rollout schedule and identify the individuals and activities that are required to bring the solution online. As with every stage of the SDLC, careful documentation is essential to maintaining the integrity of the new system. Release logs, release communication, and post-implementation validation documents serve to record issues encountered throughout the implementation, communicate any issues, and ensure that the final system meets the needs of the business. System development does not stop once the application or system has been implemented. Ongoing support, changes, and updates are necessary to continue to meet the needs of the business. In order to establish and outline expectations for continued support of a new system, a maintenance charter is drafted, which delineates how the business can submit tickets for needed changes, for fixes, and outlines future upgrades and support. Finally, once a system is no longer needed, is replaced, or has become obsolete, the decommissioning process is initiated. This is a secure method of sunsetting the system, archiving necessary code and data, and documenting the changes to the IT environment. Stay tuned for the conclusion of SDLC, the video series that outlines how information technology systems are developed at the MPCA.